So today I wanted to show you a really fun craft that you probably have the materials already at home disguised as toys. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need some Legos and you're going to need a plant. That's it. You're going to need a Legos and a plant. You can use a real plant, you can use a fake plant, but find some Legos. It's going to be, let me show you, a little plant holder that's made out of Legos. How cute is that? Now the bottom is optional. You don't have to have this little plate. You don't need it if you don't have it. You can build a bottom. It's quite easy. It's just Legos. I think you all know how to use Legos. So you can do, obviously I just put a fake plant in here, but you can do a real plant, and it's such a cute little thing. You can also build it taller to put pens in it. You can also build it taller and put it in your bathroom for your toothbrush and your toothpaste holder. So I just think it's really fun. Let's get started. I'll switch to the overhead view and we'll make it. Let's do it. Alright, so we've got the overhead view, and I find it really helpful if you put a big blanket down so that you know where all your Legos are, you can see them, and you can make it pretty, easy that way. So I do have a base here. It is a Lego square base. Really simple, easy. If you don't want to do that, just build with the flat pieces across, and then you can build up over that. You know how to attach them to make them flat. I know you do. It's Legos. You got this. So I'm going to start with my flat piece. And this one that I made earlier, I went ahead and went in 2 spots. But I think for this one, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go all the way along the edge on the second one. So let's see how it looks. So what you want to do is gather all of your Legos that are square or rectangle. So there's a couple different styles, obviously, as you know. You got the 4, the 8, and then this one's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 on there. That's a really big one. So as long as they look like the square and not the single pieces, you should be okay. It just will, you can use the single pieces, it's just going to take a little bit longer. So gather up all your ones that have 2 side by side, and I think this project will be really awesome that way. So what you're going to want to do is start on the side and just build up. I think it looks really cool when you alternate colors. So if you want to do that, you can. If you want to do all the same color, that's totally fine. So just keep going all the way around till you get to your first layer, and then I'll show you what the next layer looks like, because the first layer is just laying it out flat. Okay, we're still alternating. Now you might notice that these colors are a little bit different than the one I made before, because those were actually neon ones that I got at the Dollar Tree, so they're not real Legos. These are real Legos, and these happen to be the colors that I have. I do like these, though. They sell them at the Dollar Tree. You can get them for $1 for a whole bag. It's pretty cool. I've got my whole square set. Now, for the next layer, and for every alternating layer, you want to make sure that when you see the corner, see how this is a one piece right here and one piece right here? You want to go ahead and connect where they're not connected. So that means you're going to go the opposite way so that they are more stable that way. Do you see that? Because this one was going this way and this one was over here. So I connected them so that it's more stable. You guys know. So, and just do that process all the way around until you've used up all of your square Legos. Let's do it. As you can see, we are getting there, and you can see all of the colors on the side just make it look so fun. Look how cool that looks. Imagine all your plants in there, or your pens, or all sorts of fun stuff. Like I said, it's just so cool. You can even do it around the size of a tissue box, depending on how many Legos you have. So let's keep going. See, when you get stuck, sometimes it's a little crazy, right? So you got to make sure that, you have enough Legos to keep it going in all different lengths. Because right now, I'm trying to see what I can do here. Let's see. We're looking for a 5 hole. I know they're a thing. Nope. Just gotta keep looking. And if you can't find what you're looking for, then you gotta rearrange the whole thing. So, like maybe this 3 one is throwing it off. So let's try that. We try a long one here. See, there we go. You just gotta rearrange it sometimes. Now, whoop, they're falling. Now we can make it keep going. But I don't want the colors to match either, so we gotta keep moving them around. But we're getting low on the colors, so they might have to start matching pretty soon next to each other, which I don't like, but it's okay. It's okay. It's still fun. See, look how tall this is so far. This one is way taller than this one. Look at that, how crazy that is. That one can fit inside here. That's so crazy. I love it. But it's getting there. I still got more Legos, so I'm going to keep going. Just tall enough so I can see what it would look like as a different height for pens. Because I'm really curious how tall it needs to be for pens or for your toothbrush and toothpaste. All that fun stuff. You know what? I think we've done it. It looks pretty jazzy. Of course, I've still got Legos left over and I could still make it go higher. But I think that looks really cool, just the way it is. So, I can put my flower in there, put a little bit of soil in there, or I can do, like I said, the toothbrush and toothpaste. I mean, the pens, the limitless, endless options are just crazy. So, have fun with it. See what you can make and make it creative. It also makes a great gift coming up for Father's Day or for a birthday or just for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this fun idea of a craft to do at home. See you soon, ladies. Bye.